Hey there, Tall Man Clan. We are at the Florida RV Super Show, and the video review that you're about to watch is a segment of a longer stream that we did. So it's not going to be as detailed as our normal long form content, but we hope you enjoy. Right, so like this one here, you're looking at $169. So it's a fraction of the cost of some of the ones that we were looking at yesterday. Right, so you got a nice storage cabinet. That's what that is. It's really tall, guys.
Yeah, golf clubs can go in there.
Yeah, put your golf clubs in there.
Yeah.
Okay. And again, there's some storage or an outdoor TV, which is nice.
And storage underneath.
Yep, and storage underneath. There's storage all the way around. Okay. So let's go in and look at the inside. There is an awning that covers about 2/3 of the entire side. So let's go up to the very front. So we're going to talk about this is built on a Ford chassis. Okay. It's going to be gas. But right up here in the front, there's a bed. It's on a little elevator kind of thing, and so it'll go right down to basically the top of the driver's chairs there. So you can sleep some people up there in the front. Okay. Right here, as you came in, remember there's the door. Right to your right is some theater chairs. All right, comfortable. All right, this goes up, goes down, you put your cups in there. Is that a charging port? What is that? Oh yeah, it's charging ports. There's USB plugs. Charger.
Oh, very nice.
Yep, it does recline. There, got reclined out. And it'd be perfect thing to sit there and watch that TV. Very comfortable, guys.
Yeah.
There's your banquette. You see, it's I call it legless, so there's nothing in the way as you're sliding in and out. Because the slide is all the way back, even as a tall person, you could sit on the inside. Okay.
Oh, and look at these curtains.
Yeah, nice.
The little shades.
Yeah. Yep.
That's actually just for decoration.
It's just decoration because that's your shade right there. Yeah.
Very nice.
Yep. So let's. There's also a little. See that little hole right there? You can put a little table there, because when you're parked, these chairs spin around, and so they become sort of part of the living area then. And so you could actually put like a little cocktail type table there. That's what that little hole is. Okay. There is some cabinetry there right when you come in. Mm-hmm. My guess is that's where some. Oh no, it's storage.
Yep, you can put your
that's
coats
where some
there.
of your electronics are.
Yep.
Your slide electronics are actually down there. That's what those buttons are. Okay. And then got a nice little corner cabinet here.
That's a nice space there.
Deep.
Look at that.
Adjustable shelves.
Those are kind of thin. I think it's
that
more.
That one's good. Actually, that's not bad, Lisa.
I think it's more because it was bouncing, and what I was thinking it was getting flexibility, but it wasn't. It's
that's
just
pretty solid.
Adjustable. Yeah,
that's one of the most solid ones we've knocked on so far, believe it or not.
Yeah, not bad.
Okay, and a nice kitchen, right? Solid surface countertop too.
Yeah, this is nice. We've got the 50/50 sink.
Yeah.
I'm not even sure where to begin. Let's see. Let's look at the storage above.
You can tell we're getting close to 2 hours stream time because we start getting tongue-tied.
We definitely do. I like having that pull-out drawer. Yeah, lots of storage overhead. We've got a nice Greystone microwave. Let's see. It is not convection. We have a 3-burner gas stove and an oven. Under the sink, we have
plastic.
Yeah, lots of plastic. Decent storage there. Oh, look
nice,
at those
deep,
big drawers. Yeah, that's nice. And then underneath the stove, there is some storage. We have our refrigerator freezer.
Again, propane.
That is a Norcold.
Actually, I think this one's 12 volt.
Yeah, I think it is. I don't. Yeah.
Yep, solar on board, 12 volt.
I believe so. Yeah.
Speaking of which, control panel right here,
all
electronic.
Very nice.
So let's keep on going towards the back.
Alrighty.
Oh, yep. It's that toilet test time again.
It's time for Tall Man's Toilet Test.
It's got a bum gun.
A bum gun. Look at that.
A bum gun.
Oh my goodness.
This is our first bum gun this year. Bum gun. Woohoo!
But look at all that legroom you've got.
Nothing like a clean tushy.
Yeah.
Okay, so interestingly enough, if I sit how the toilet is angled, I should be here. If you see my feet, it's a little uncomfortable. Obviously, I can turn, right? So that's completely comfortable. This toilet's not meant to turn, so to be honest, it would feel weird on the bum side, right? Because your seats are contoured, right? The toilet seats.
Yeah.
And so if you're not sort of sitting straight, it feels a little weird. this might be a little challenging if you're my height. I'm not going to lie to you. I mean, you've got room when you're this way. It's going to feel weird on the tushy. Okay? This is how you should be sitting.
I'm going to move the camera so you can show them again. Do that again.
So this is how you should be sitting, the way the toilet is angled. But obviously, this is where you have the most room. I don't know why they just didn't angle the toilet this way.
Yeah, I'm
I mean,
surprised.
it's not like it's taking up much room.
Yeah.
They should do that. Anyway, I'm just Winnebago. If you're listening, turn the toilet. I want a comfortable tushy. Heck, you got a bum gun for God's sakes. All right, nice countertop space in here, though, right?
I love the sink. Yeah, that's beautiful.
It's almost like it's not a fabric-y feel, but feel that, Lisa. It almost feels like a fabric, doesn't it? Just,
oh yeah.
Yeah, it's really kind of neat.
Yeah.
Okay. You got some storage underneath here, right? Which is awesome.
Yeah.
There's a little cubby down here. Your TP holder's already put in place, which is awesome. The mirror's flat against the wall, so there's no storage for your medicines and stuff, but there is like a little medicine cabinet here. But remember, guys, this is just a half bath. I've been picking on the toilet, but it's a half bath, so there's got to be another toilet somewhere else. So,
and that is a great half bath for
it is a great half bath. So, I
yeah.
pick on it, but I mean, I need to pick on it too much.
Honestly, I don't remember ever seeing a half bath in a Class C.
All right, so let's turn the lights on here. All right, so a nice bed. This does look like an RV King, actually.
It does, yeah.
So let's get some width on it here. Yeah, we are 72 by. It's going to be hard to get up there, so I'm going to have to. Yeah, RV King, 72 by 80.
Well, you know what? There is actually, I believe, plenty of space.
You can put a king in here.
If you wanted to put a residential king in here.
But mind you, this has to fold up, I think, when you're on the road, because just think about it. This slide here comes in, and that slide comes in. So this would be just something you want to ask the dealers when you meet with them, is to make sure if you put a residential king, because that you're I just want to make sure you have enough space. You don't want to go and do it and then try to put your slides in and it doesn't fit. But we're pretty sure you're going to have the width and the length.
Yeah, with the hybrid, because it has flexibility.
Because remember, I couldn't get an accurate measurement because the stuff is in the way, so it could be 78. But I think it's residential king, all right? Up there at the front, of course, you got some nightstands. There's power. There's USB charging ports. There's places to put your CPAP machines and stuff like that. Oh, wait a minute. Hey, Lisa, what is that?
What is what?
Is that a ducky in my pocket, or am I just happy to see you?
I think that's a ducky in your pocket.
It's a ducky in my pocket.
Look at that.
Blake, the ducky. Inside joke, y'all watching. Anyway. All right, so across from the bed, your sort of your wardrobe and entertainment area, if you will, right? Decent sized TV, okay? And again, this is on in a cabinet that goes up.
Oh,
and so you can store stuff behind there.
Yeah.
That's great design. It really is. So you're hanging stuff in here.
Right.
There's your little cocktail table for the front, by the way.
Oh,
by the driver's seat.
Got it.
Okay. You got 6 drawers.
Right.
Right, which are
Those
nice
are
and deep.
huge drawers.
And then you got storage over there.
Right.
Okay. We didn't cover this, but in the kitchen there's sort of this cabinet here too. I've got a couple of bins in there, which is nice. So it's its own little slide out. Right? It's kind of nice. Okay? You seen that all right? Okay.
Not really, but...
Oh, here. Sorry, guys. We should have said something. See, look at this. We'll pull out. There you go. All right, going to the back.
All right.
Let's check out this toilet. Oh, yeah, this one's great, guys. All right, this is the tall man toilet. That's the guest toilet for the vertically challenged people. That's the toilet for them. This is the tall man toilet. Plenty of space here, guys, and it is very, very comfortable. Okay? Lots of cabinet space in here, guys. Right, so put some towels up there if you want, or whatever, or towels, down here if you want. Okay, storage underneath there as well. Got a drawer there. The nice countertop that goes the whole length in here. Mm-hmm. We got a bum gun in the back too.
A bum gun, nice.
Another bum gun.
Okay.
All right, and then the shower. So let's get in that shower and check it out.
All right.
Here's another tall man behind you. See, we're working this for you, my friend.
Yeah.
All right, see, look at this. You're gonna fit just fine in here, my friend. What are you, about 6'4" yourself?
I used to be.
I'm
Used
going
to be.
with 6'6". Yeah. 6'4".
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, you walked in, I'm like, he's my
Get
height.
it called a tall and you go fly economy.
All right, so it's great. So there's plenty of room in here. Actually, a generous shower. I think it's 36 by 36. So
I think you're right.
it's very comfortable.
Yeah.
We could both fit in here.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. We could water save. Right, nice. Right, shower head.
Right. Nice.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah.
A mini Winnie. Right, a Class C. Right, built on a Ford chassis.
No, this is an A.
Sorry, Class A.
Yeah, this
Right,
is a
sorry,
Class A.
Class A.